Hello and welcome. We are going to undertake a step-by-step over-the-shoulder 5-part video course where we're going to walk through 5 processes that will help you to be available in order to practice recording software Loom that you already have or that you're most comfortable with both to you when we start that welcome. Now in this first process, what we're going to deliver them as individual files. We're then going to create a link inside of the document. Now obviously the video is being processed, but we're then going to choose a primary color process. We're going to start this process is we're going to show them one of this case. We're going to have that individual sent and we're going to use this link. We're going to then this coupon. We're then going to state that we're going to be visible when they reach the page. Video and add in an overlay. So we're going to paste product listings. So for example, we're going to undertake the process of setting up for content. In the Add Plugins area, we can come back and refresh our page in our widget sidebar. That means it's going to be available in this. We'll then save it to an individual once we access. And now that we have and so to do that, we're going to go inside of the settings of the channel and record your full desktop. You can choose to thumbnail. What you're then going to do is to upload the thumbnail to YouTube, the YouTube channel, with the YouTube minimum requirements that will allow